The way of changing light kit. Step 1. Remove the light cover by turning left side to unlock it. Step 2. There are 3 screws you need to loosen up and 1 screw you need to unscrew and remove out. Please follow below image to do this process. Step 3. To dismantle down the light kit by turning left side to unlock it. Step 4. After unlock the light kit, you will need to disconnect the 2 wiring. Step 5. To install back the new light kit, you have to connect back the 2 wiring by its individual wiring color. Step 6. After connection, please keep the wiring in the cap. Step 7. To lock back the light kit, you just have to turn right side. Step 8. Screw back below 4 screws on the light kit. Lastly, to lock back the light cover, you just have to turn right side. The LED light is working well now.